Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp fried rice Trinidad style. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of medium shrimp, 2 cups of cooked day-old rice, and a colorful mix of vegetables like carrots and peas. Don't forget your essential sauces: soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a dash of sesame oil. Having everything prepped and ready before you start cooking is key to a smooth and delicious process. Next, heat a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of oil and quickly sauté your shrimp until they turn pink and are just cooked through, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the shrimp and set aside. Then, add a bit more oil and stir-fry your cooked rice with minced garlic and ginger, followed by the soy and oyster sauces, ensuring every grain is coated. Now it's time to bring in the vibrant vegetables. Add your carrots, peas, and any other desired crisp vegetables to the rice, stirring constantly for about 3 to 4 minutes until they are tender crisp. Return the cooked shrimp to the wok, tossing everything together gently. Finish with a drizzle of sesame oil and a generous sprinkle of chopped green onions, mixing well to combine all the wonderful flavors. Your Trinidad-style shrimp fried rice is now ready to be served. Dish it out immediately while it's hot and fragrant. You can garnish with a little extra fresh cilantro or more green onions for a pop of color and freshness. This easy method ensures a flavorful and satisfying meal every time. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.